welcome back to 5th grade math support. Again, my name is Dr. Griggs, and our overall topic for these sets of objectives is operations in algebraic thinking. Our objective for today is write simple expressions that record calculations with numbers and interpret numerical expressions without evaluating them. For example, express the calculation add 8 and 7, then multiply by 2 as 2 times 8 plus 7. Recognize that 3 times 18,932 plus 921 is 3 times as large as 18,932 plus 921 without having to calculate the indicated sum or product. So pretty much we are just creating the expression. We don't have to actually evaluate the expression and find out what the value of it is. We're just simply creating it because this is setting the stage to be able to evaluate these expressions. So let's look at an example. We have an example here to kind of set the stage on what this will look like, but let's look at another one. So here's our problem. We're going to be writing a numerical expression of the following situation. A baker made 12 blueberry muffins and 15 chocolate muffins. Then she baked 3 more batches with the same number of each type of muffin. Write an expression to represent the total number of muffins the baker made. Well, if we break this into parts, then we can put it back together as one piece, the same way it was inside of the objective. So if we look at it, we have 12 blueberry muffins and 15 chocolate muffins. That's the initial batch that the baker did. But then she came back and she baked 3 more batches. But nothing changed. The same number of each type of muffin were in each of those batches. So we could say 3 times 12 plus 3 times 15. So that's one way. Or we could combine it like that's in our objective, and we can put 12 plus 15 in parentheses and then multiply that by 3, because the parts that are in the inside for the blueberry muffins and for the chocolate muffins aren't changing. She's using the same number for each type of muffin. The only thing that's changing is that she is making 3 more batches. So if we multiply the sum of these 2 blueberry muffins and chocolate muffins from the initial batch and then multiply that by 3, then that would give us how much she had baked. Again, we are only having to create the expression in this objective, but in later objectives, of course, we'll be evaluating the expression. But this really sets the stage for that. I hope that this made sense to you, but if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Or if you have any other problems that are choosing to be difficult, definitely let me know that as well. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for joining my tutoring session today. If you enjoyed the way that I instruct and you think that I would be a useful addition to your student or to yourself, feel free to scan this QR code. It is going to take you directly to my profile page where you can get set up on weekly classes with me. Looking forward to seeing you in the classroom.